So you've found yourself at this video. First question, how did we get here? Maybe you skipped a step. Maybe you didn't watch any of my fantastically informative setup videos. Maybe you changed something and you just don't know what you changed. Well, don't worry too much. You can always factory reset an AL159x master. Some problems just require you to start over. Factory resetting erases every change you've made to the master. Just so we're clear, for initial setup issues, it isn't too much of a hassle to do this. Please just make sure you're aware of the outcome. Go to ifm.com. Under downloads for the AL159x, download the latest firmware file. Power off the AL159x. On port 8 of the master, tie pin 1 and pin 5 together. A paperclip is the crudest of options. I personally twisted pin 1 and pin 5 of a male cable together. This is cleaner and easier to swap on and off again. If not already done, put your network adapter into DHCP mode. Power on the AL159x. If done correctly, the top left ready LED will be solid amber. You can now access the factory reset interface via this URL address. Loading a firmware will restart the master. It can be the same firmware already on the device. Select to upload it here on the page, open up the folder, and then select the .swu file. This will start the upload. This will take a few minutes. I'm going to fast forward to the end for us. Click on Restart. And we're going to jump right ahead, not wait that minute, and you will see here that it pops us right back into this web server screen. And next, we don't even want to be here any longer. What we're going to do is power off the AL159x, remove the cable jumpering pin 1 and pin 5 on port 8, power the AL159x up again, and start over via the IoT port with your network adapter still on DHCP. Hopefully you now have the knowledge not to do whatever brought you to this point again. However, should you arrive here, these steps will allow you to start over time and time again.